I just had my second knee injection and I'm thrilled to death. 4 years ago, I was told I needed a knee replacement. I'm bone on bone on my left knee and half a bone on bone on my other knee. I had read about stem cells years ago, so I refused to do the knee replacement. I wasn't going to do it. I said, I'm going to wait until I find out more about the stem cells. And that was 4 years ago. And all of a sudden this year, I found it. I went running to the meeting and heard all about it, and I came the next day and I scheduled the injection the following day, and I have been thrilled to death. I went to bed after my first injection, and I woke up the next morning and I started walking and I started to cry. I was so happy. I had no pain at all. I was able to walk barefoot to the bathroom with no pain. And usually I have to wear my tennis shoes, slip my tennis shoes on with my orthotics to be able to not be in pain. And I did it barefoot and I couldn't believe it. I just started to cry, but it was happiness. It was tears of happiness. And I've been happy ever since. I think my depression has gone away. I don't feel like seeing my therapist anymore. I'm like done with being unhappy. I'm thrilled to live now and very excited about life and very pleased. And so I thank the Lord for finding and getting to know about the cells right away.
Thank you.
So I'm done now. This is my last injection. Very happy.
We appreciate it.
I recommend it.